It's 516, 50 degrees.
And it has been gloomy for us the last couple of days as we check in with Storm Center 7 weather specialist Nick Dunn.
Yeah, it's gloomy out there, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon, unfortunately. In fact, we had to break out the gloom tracker. Check this out. We are tracking gloomy conditions today, and we can't totally shake the clouds, unfortunately, for Saturday or Sunday. So if you have any weekend plans and you were hoping for a lot of sunshine, unfortunately, I don't expect a ton of that. But certainly today, probably going to be the most gloomy, if you will, of the next 3 days. Live Doppler 7 radar this morning doesn't show any rain falling, but again, there's some pockets of mist and drizzle out there. No significant reductions in visibility, but a bit inconvenient out there for you on a Friday. 50 right now in Dayton and Troy, 51 in Springboro. Oxford, the warm spot, if you will, at 53. Richmond checking in there at 46. Now, over the last 48 hours, we've certainly have seen quite a soaking of rain. And if you live off to the north and west, totals have fallen just short of a half of an inch. But in Dayton, we've now picked up 1.04 inches of rain. And off to the south, places like Middletown and Springboro getting around 1.25 inches to 1.33 inches. A good soaking rain that'll help us to stay above normal for the month of November so far. Now let's look at today's thankful forecast, because on gloomy days like this, yeah, it's thankful that we don't have any snow, and now that's unless you're a snow fan, that is. It's also a good day to maybe be thankful for some indoor heat because it is chilly out there. Also good to be thankful for those jackets and streaming movies. Yeah, those streaming services always come in handy, I feel like, on a day like today. Let's break down Futurecast to help you plan the rest of your day. You notice a couple of green blobs popping up every once in a while, but these are nothing more than just light pesky showers or areas of drizzle. We're stuck with this really for most of the day today thanks to a northwest wind. Into tonight, we don't see the clouds really breaking up a whole lot for us. And really, the same could be said as we get the day started on Saturday. Now, you start to notice on Saturday morning maybe a few breaks in the clouds. That should allow us to cool off into the 40s to get the day started. Into the afternoon, I think Futurecast is overdoing the amount of clearing, but I think we'll see a little bit of sunshine tomorrow and maybe a little bit more than what we see today. And then I want to show you our next big system that we're tracking. This is going to really flip the pattern of the way things look into next week. We're tracking rain for Tuesday and temperatures in the middle 60s. And then watch what happens. A cold front's going to swing through the Miami Valley on Wednesday. You notice the winds changing from the south to the west. Now, I want to also caution you as we fast forward this in time. You notice some blue on the map here. Yeah, that would be snow. I want to caution you, though, this is still 6+ days out. I'm not going to throw snow in the forecast just yet, and be careful what you see out there on social media as well. But certainly a big-time pattern change with colder temperatures is in store, and that colder weather may be sticking around with us for a few days there, even into next Friday as well. Here's a look at my Storm Center 7-day forecast so you can see how this all comes together for us. We're up to 62 for Sunday, mid-60s for Tuesday as we start to track that interesting weather pattern. Right now, we'll leave rain in the forecast for Thursday and highs in the middle 40s. We've got weather and traffic every 10 minutes this morning. Jake, are we seeing any issues on the roads here this morning?
Nick, so far, pretty